Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have CUBOT P80 Pro and I want to show you how I remove magnification to this device. To do that, open Settings application where we look for our accessibility selection, which is there, and hit magnification, and to turn on it we must switch on confirm by got it, and we have our shortcut magnification, which position we can easily change by tap on it and swipe on the screen and set where we want. To turn on it, we press on it and tap on our screen. We can easily change position of our zoom using two finger and swiping on the screen. We can also zoom out or zoom in or zoom out. To turn off it, we press again on our shortcut. Thanks for watching, bye!